Hi, first graders. So the past 2 lessons, you've been learning about how to write a 5-star sentence. And today, you get to play a game with your friends online and find the correct sentence. So because this is your time to show me your understanding of writing a 5-star sentence, I'm just going to give you one example and then you can go to the game. So once again, let me get rid of yellow. Once again, we're looking for our 5-star 5-star sentence, capital, finger space, legible, which the computer does for us. We can understand what it's writing, what the writing is, spelling, and end mark. So let's look at this sentence. Okay, so this would be a 5-star sentence. We have our capital, which is what we always look for first. We have our finger space, and we have an end mark because this is a statement. Let's read it. I am a first grader. Okay, we'll do one more, then I'm going to let you Okay, so listen to how I say it. It is fun to play together. It is fun to play together. So what do I look for first? 3, 2, 1. That's right, a capital. This did not have a capital, so I'll fix it. Next, let's look for our finger space. I see finger space. Now listen to how I ended this sentence. It is fun to play together. Did I sound excited? No. Did I sound like I was asking a question? No. So it's just a statement, a period. Now if I had said, it is fun to play together, I would have put an exclamation mark. So I hope you have a fun time with this game and get to show me your sentence skills.